And welcome to December 1st, which means it is time for the annual Red Delta Project Advent Calendar. We do this every year where we have the 24 days leading up to Christmas. Every day has a little mini video with a micro workout based around some sort of a little theme to kind of give you something new to play with throughout December. It's also a good way to kind of keep workouts on track during this hectic holiday time of the year. And this year's theme is based on one of my upcoming new books on suspension calisthenics. So all of the exercises can be done on suspension trainer like TRX, grind straps, gymnastics rings, or even just DIY your own, which I've got links down below in the description to all the DIY trainers that I've come out with over the years. But nonetheless, let's get right into it. So I usually like to start things off with a good chest triceps type of routine. So taking your straps roughly about knee height or a little bit lower, and we start off with a good old-fashioned set of push-ups. You're gonna get 10 whole push-ups, making sure that you get nice big range of motion, shoulders are packed down. Once you get your 10, moving forward, and we have tricep extensions where the handles are coming close to the face, and you have 10 there. Then immediately after that, backing it up, and you have 8 push-ups, same exact sort of technique. Moving forward, adjusting resistance accordingly. 8 tricep extensions, and then 6 and 6, 4, 4, and 2, 2. Try to get the whole thing in one solid go with as many breaks as necessary. And of course, one of the great things about suspension work is that you can adjust the resistance to accommodate your fatigue as you go through the set. Let me know if you have questions down below. Full written out description of the workout in the description, because that's what it's there for. And best of luck. Be fit, live free.